Hey guys, today we're installing the dream of every S13 hatch owner. Yes, the Type X taillights. So I really like how these look on the car, but obviously the best choice is the Type X. So we have a set of new taillights. So let's quickly unpack. So this is looking like the glue that holds the moisture. And here we've got some warm blankets for them to be okay. Oh, how well is it packed? Mamma mia, this is amazing. This is looking beautiful. Cannot wait to fit that on the car. And the second box, so same pack of the glue plus some hardware. And the second tail light. And in this box, we have the blend, the Type X blend with the reverse lights. Okay. Oh, so minty mint. And because this is the pre-facelift model, the wiring of course would not fit. So we have larger connectors on the new taillights. That's why we have some adapters to use. So it should be pretty straightforward. So you have a bunch of 8mm nuts to undo. And it comes out. Wow. So 200 SX. Now, will this guy go out? Yes. And I only have to disconnect one connector. Ow! Okay. And it's off. A lot of dirt here, so from this side. But surprisingly, absolutely no rust. So I will quickly clean it up, and I think we will have to do some custom fabrication to make the Type X taillights fit. But overall, whoa, I just hit my head. So now let's check if the adapters fit. So the white one seems to be designed to fit the tail light. Yeah, it clicks in. Another white one, the wider connector seems to be okay for this one. So let's check the blend. So the black goes to the body side, and the white one, nope, okay, so this one works as well. So we have all sets. Okay, now let's check on the body side. So these guys are friends. Okay, it fits pretty well. And this, yes, everything works. So only one tiny problem. You see, this metal piece is a little bit of a different shape, so it does not let the taillight to sit flush. So now it's perfect. Just you need to remove a little bit of a gap here. So I have already connected this one left tail light. So let's check if it really works. So I have the battery switch here. Okay. Ignition would not hurt. Lights on. Wow. Now let's check the brake light. And the turn signal. And looks like the inner one only switches on when you activate the fog lights. Let's check. So switch off the fog lights. Yeah, that's right. Not sure if this is how it's supposed to be. So now it's reasonably clean and we are ready to install new parts. So first you install the tail lights and only after that you install the blend. Voila! This is what I was aiming for. So only now test fit it to see how it would look. Let's remove this stick. Okay, beautiful. Now it's time to utilize new hardware and give it a final look. So this is the final result, the final product. Everything is clean, everything is sealed, everything is connected. And here we have the Cookie/Type X taillight conversion installed. Every bulb works as expected. Actually, let's check the brake lights. There's a lot of new stuff coming with this car and my other cars, so subscribe for new content and see you in the next one.